Stop losing your favorite radio station on road trips. Let's find out how to do it. So let me start by using the home screen. Choose here Menu, the second button from the left, select here Setup, and then all you need to do is choose Audio. Then choose here FM, and as you can see here you can enable the FM alternative frequency. Let's enable this feature. So now when you drive across the country, radio signals fade. Alternative frequency automatically scans for the strongest signal of the station you're actually listening to. So no static, no manual turning, just seamless music. I highly recommend to have this feature enabled. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.